everybody. Payout Big Scratchers here, and we are on ticket 13 and 14 of this book today. It's the $300 million cash explosion. They're $30 individual tickets. The odds is 1 in 2.82, and we're going to scratch number 13. It's a matching in game, so we're going to match any of these numbers to these winning numbers. The winning numbers are, and I'm using Pirate Scratcher coin today. The winning numbers are 16, 1, 15, 43, 59, 52, 37, 32, 9, and 34. Our numbers are 55, 23. There are no 20s. The number 5, 24, no 24, and 3. We have a 1 and a 9. 41, 39, 19, 8, no 19, no 8, 18, 54, no and no, 36, 28, 27, and 13. None of those. 29, 51, 46, 25, and 44. 7, 12, 57, 38, 35, 53, so I could keep moving around, 33, 42, we have 43, and 32, and 34, 47, no 47, and 11. This ticket looks as if it's not a winner. Ticket 14. $37, 45, 1, 46, 28, 4, 32, 26, 23, and 6. 38, 41, nope, 37, 48, and 34, nope, and nope, 44, 19, 12, 55, 14, 21, 56, 18, 34, 22, 20, 51, no 22, no 20, and no 51, 8, 47, 11, we have that 1, 36, no 36, 31, 52, 24, and 5, 57, last row, 16, no, 15, 59, no, and nope, 54, nope, and a 25. Both of these tickets are losers. Like, subscribe, share. Maybe tomorrow will be the day. Bye, y'all.